2:23:20. Morning, everybody. It is, what is it, May 26th, 2024 here in Burlington, Vermont. And this is going to be a little bit of a different video. We're not even know if we're going to use it or not. But today is the Vermont City Marathon. And we are literally just off the trail here. Now, we missed the beginning. So you can see the runners here at the corner just starting to go by. We're just like the 2.5 mile mark is right near where we're staying here, and at about 11 minutes from the start they started coming by. So we just missed the start, but that's okay because we're it started at 7:30. No, and that's okay because we didn't we don't need to see the beginning. We're here more for the festivities and the cheering on the people a little bit. So, and this is a loop, so they will come back here eventually. But we're gonna head back because a lot of it is here on this. So this is a 3:45 pace.
I have a couple of coworkers that are currently here.
So we're the whole race. Oh man, you can see them on the road.
Oh, it's so cool.
It's just full of people up there. So we're just gonna follow this.
We're gonna go this side or this side, right?
We'll just stay on this side because we can't cross. So we'll just stay here on Pine Avenue. Here, cheer on the runners, and we'll try to make our way to the start and see if there's any festivities going on. Things to do after the race. So let's go ahead and make our way down the trail here and see what happens when we get closer into town. So a little bit of information on the marathon, little bits I do know. It started at 7:15 in the morning. That's why we were maybe a little bit late. Somebody can make it a little hard to get out of the door quickly sometimes. And we didn't really have, we thought it would start at 7:30, it started at 7:15. So it is an early morning start, as opposed to like most races that I've ever done. We can see them across the way, just barely there. I don't know what mile marker they're at there, but you can see them across the way. Most of the races I ever do, they're always at like 8 o'clock in the morning or something, but maybe marathons start at 7:15. This is also a marathon you can do in parts. So you can do 2 people, so you can, because it is a loop that you do twice. It's a 13.5 mile loop or something like that. At least maybe the full first loop is a little longer than the second. But so you can do 2, so you can do 2 people, each do a half. You can split it into 3, 4, and 5. I don't know how exactly they, snatch you out of the line or whatever, but you can do that. Yeah, you can see the people on the waterfront. Probably gonna be really hard on the camera, but they are right there, running along the waterfront. What else doing? Oh, yeah, it's nice. It's one thing I do like about Burlington. They do have lots of nice like murals and art around here. Very cool. Like I think there's a hummingbird downtown. I think is cool. But what else do I about the marathon this morning?
I think there's supposed to be a lot of festivities down by the waterfront.
Yeah, should be some festivities and some stuff going on. We don't really know. We went past a drum line back there. So we're looking to get to, like, I think it's Lakeside Park, I think is about where they start at. We're gonna get to that area and maybe go up to Church Street, which is downtown, and do some of that. How far into this race are we about here? We're about almost 45 minutes. So I guess the leaders would be getting close to 9 miles right now, give or take.
And the funny part is that they're actually running on the trail that we always run on when we go for runs. So we would have to change up our running route if we were gonna go for a run this morning, but we decided to just go for a walk and check out all the festivities and everything and take a day off from running.
Yeah. So no running for us this morning, but probably get a good 5 or 6 mile walk in today. Just going into town, hanging around. So we are maybe another half mile from being into town now. So let's go ahead and zip ahead. She might be in last. She must have started late. So let's go ahead and get into town and see what it looks like, and maybe we'll see the leaders here coming around in the next 20 minutes or so. They'll hit the beginning, so maybe we can show you what the leader pack looks like. So we found the water stop here, and so here's the 4:30 pacers. So we're gonna stay here because the race comes up this hill here and then into town, and they turn left, and then the race heads that away north for quite a ways, and then the next lap will pass through here and turn right up on Pine Street ahead. So we decided we'll just stay here until the leaders come through to start the next lap, because we want to see them. And then the finish is just down the way somewhere over here. So once they come by, we'll start making our way towards the finish so we can see the end and see what's going on down there. And then maybe once the finish happens, we'll head up into downtown and see what's going on up there. So I think the leaders are coming. Yep, here they come. Here they go. There's another one. There's 3. Here goes 4. So this is, for them, I think it's mile about 13, and 14 is up around the corner now.
4 guys right there.
So we're at like 1:15 or something like that.
Yeah, 1:13.
About 1:13 time for a half. So they just finished, those guys just finished the half, and they'll start on
another one. Look at this one coming around the corner.
this guy's coming fast. He's powering up the hill.
Yeah.
Looking good, go get it, go get it.
That's just stupid fast. Holy moly. But if you're gonna make up time on the hill, that's the speed you gotta go.
He had his own water bottle on that table.
The blue guy here?
No, this guy right here.
Oh, this
the
guy?
green. He picked up his own water bottle on that table.
Oh yeah.
Good work,
He
brother.
made a really wide turn. I'm like, why is he going so wide?
Here comes a couple more.
Yeah.
Good job, runner. Nice job.
First girl. Where's the first girl?
Cool. So that's the beginning. So let's head down and try to make our way towards the start. I think the first girl is going to be in 15-20 minutes or so.
Okay.
I think the first girl is going to be a little behind. I don't know how far a girl would be behind in a half marathon, but
Full marathon.
well, this is a half.
Yeah.
So in a half marathon, I don't know how far she's going to be behind, but I think it's like 10 or 15 minutes. So let's start heading down towards the beginning and see if we can catch her. Okay, so we're here at this corner. This is the 6 mile and 19 mile up here. So the front of the pack here, the leaders are coming up right now, and they're gonna run up here and do another loop. Yeah, so they're gonna run up here, do another loop, and then head out here, and then the finish is just over here. So we got a good spot here. We can see them at 19, and then we can just walk over and see the finish. Oh, that guy took the lead. Yeah. Hey, he was third. This guy was third at the half. Oh, he's only a partial.
Oh, he's a relayer.
Yeah, he's a relayer. He's in dark green. Oh, look at that camera crew they got going. So this is the actual leader now. Here we go. Yay! Well, that's no fun that a half marathoner is going to win the race. Oh. And here comes number 2.
You ready to cheer, buddy? You ready to cheer?
There he goes.
Hey, good job, Nick.
Yeah, they'll go over really.
So we found a spot here near the finish line. Nobody here yet, but the top finisher should be finishing here in the next 10 or 15 minutes. We're at about 2 hours right now. So we're gonna hang out here for the finish, then we'll head in and see what else is going on. There is some food trucks and things like that. Hopefully you can hear anything I'm saying right now.
Just how lucky we all.
Cool. 2:23:20. Pretty good. 2:23:20. So I think we're gonna stick around and try to see the first female finish. So I don't know when she'll finish. Maybe the next half hour. But we're gonna try to stick around for a little bit for the next finisher, first female finisher.
One of the signs of
Here we got the lead female coming. Here she comes. Wow. What'd she finish? 2:47. About a 2:47. Cool. Wow. Gonna head out? We're gonna head into town now and see what else is going on. So we're heading back towards town. The finish just over that way. Here we're in Waterside Park, and then where we watch the leaders at the 19 mile mark is right here. So these people are hitting the 19 mile mark right now, and we're gonna try to slowly make our way back up into town, up to Church Street, and maybe get something to eat and head into town. Okay, and that's gonna end it for our quick little day here in Burlington at the Vermont City Marathon. Really cool to walk around and see all the festivities and not have to take part in an entire marathon. I highly recommend that instead of an actual marathon. You just go downtown, get something nice to eat, watch the people run, and go back home. So it did inspire us to maybe pick up a run here later in the summer. So maybe we'll do that this summer. We've got plenty of plans still here for things to do in and around Burlington. So stick with us. We've got plenty more coming. So I hope you liked the video. If you did, hit the like button now. Comment, give any comments, questions, anything like that. And subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Until then, we will see you in the next one.